Yes, thank you. Hi everyone. Pionierkraft has developed a scalable energy sharing solution to facilitate simple and profitable solar for the apartment building sector. My name is Andy. I'm co-founder and CEO of Pionierkraft, and I'd like to talk about the next solar boom in here. To my extent, it is the apartment building sector. So if we look at the single-family home solar market, it may be some kind of saturation in there, whereas if we look at the right-hand side on the apartment building sector, this is just beginning to accelerate, identifying a growth opportunity which is pretty much untapped. In this very market, we have already sold then more than 2,000 of our sharing solutions, and in this year already achieved more than 50% of orders to meet our this year's revenue goals. So if we look at the left side, this is now what we launched by yesterday, our Series A extension round of 6 million, and this is why I'm here today. So we founded this company with the intention of tackling a massive solar blind spot. 96% as of today of German apartment buildings, and this is pretty similar across Europe, are still without any solar on their roofs. And the reason for this is simply because there's no scalable energy sharing solution which is profitable or simple in operations. Hence, there is no desire or possibility to serve this target group attractively. And this is pretty much a shame because there is 8,000 existing solar installation companies alone in Germany who do have the resource, who do have the knowledge, which do have the willingness, maybe even the urge to serve this group with solar. And this is affecting 55% of Germany's total residential building stock and representing more than 40 billion of market potential in Germany and over a 94 billion market potential across Europe, just for our sharing solution. So there's no solar modules in here included. And this is exactly not a niche problem. So what are we going to do about it? We now make it effortless for the landlord to sell his solar energy at a higher price than feeding into the grid to his tenants, while the tenant at the same time is receiving access to cheap and green electricity from his landlord compared to buying it from the grid. Our solution consists of two components. The first one is our energy sharing hardware. It is a standalone product. It is patent protected and it is installed within only 1 hour. Every solar installation company in Germany can install it, and also of course in Europe, but we are currently focusing on the German market. Once this thing is installed, our energy management platform takes over. It automates billing, operations and the monitoring. And this platform aims to facilitate the entire energy management in an apartment building, from the dynamic tariffs to the battery storage integrations across charging solutions towards billing or controlling solar heating, all integrated in our sharing algorithm. Today we have an 87% booking rate of this digital service, and this is of course giving us valuable recurring revenue. So therefore we have created a kind of win-win-win-win situation. There is both the housing industry and the landlords who can now hold a clear opportunity to cut their CO2 emissions in their hand while having a profitable solar system generating money on their rooftop. The tenant now has access to clean and cheap electricity, and to my extent personally, most important, the solar installation companies now have a key to acquire a totally new market with a huge potential. Having secured 6 million last year in a first closing, we are now launching our Series A extension of another 6 million in volume. And with this money, we will invest mainly in sales and marketing to grow, and if we do a good job, to become profitable in already 2 years from now. So our solution has proven its scalability, and with every solar installation company joining our partner network, month by month, we are growing in momentum. So if you'd like to hear more or join our journey and enable thousands of households, millions of households for solar, I'm happy to speak to you afterwards. Thank you very much and have a pleasant evening.